Hi, I am Capri and this channel is about hula hooping. Today I will show you a trick which I use pretty often as a transition, as part of my combos, but also as an individual trick. It has different names through the internet and I call it the back escalator. So grab your hoop and let's give it a go. Let's take a look at our trick again. So we are basically dropping it down, maintaining the movement of a horizontal rotation. So it is not only about the flat drop down. Let's try to understand it while moving it. So let's begin from here, holding the hoop in my right hand. I'm elevating it above my head to produce the flag movement, like I'm weaving a flag, okay? Then I want to touch the sweet spot, which is the back of my neck, okay? This is where we begin the movement of escalator. I will drop it down, but maintaining the direction of this movement of the flag, it will be rotating while it drops. Okay, let's take a look at the sweet spot. So we have the back of the neck, then it touches our shoulder and go in diagonal with a pathway through our body to the opposite hip. Okay, so let's take a look at it again. Hop, 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 hop. These are the points that I want the hoop to touch. Back of the neck, shoulder, and the opposite hip, going in diagonal towards down, where I'm catching it. So while the hand drops the hoop down, it goes directly here to catch it. Hey, you liked it? Leave me a comment or a like button and let's take a look at it again and again. I'm touching the sweet spot, going in diagonal to catch it back in my hand, which I draw down after releasing the hoop. How to escape from here? Well, another escalator, or maybe there are some combinations like attaching it with the other hoop and entering the wedgie. But these, my friend, are materials for another tutorials which I have on my list. So make sure to subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos, as there will be 30 tutorials together on my channel, which will be collected in one playlist. So follow up and let's do the hoop.